Hi folks, Chris Pace from Mcgrath Estate Agents, and we're at 30 Seagull Avenue in awesome Aroona. Now, when the current owners first walked up those steps and turned around to look at this view, they immediately fell in love with the home. It is the quintessential Sunshine Coast lifestyle, and now you have the opportunity to make it yours. Situated barely 5 minutes from the beach, this is a fantastic family home, which the current owners have lovingly refreshed as part of a major renovation and extension over the past year or so. Freshly painted and with classic timber floors upstairs and air conditioning throughout, this is a ripping abode for those wanting that coveted beach lifestyle. There's 5 bedrooms in total, with 2 upstairs, including the master suite, and another 3 bedrooms downstairs, providing ideal separation for the larger family. With views from both the front and rear of this home, you can entertain all year round from either the large upper deck or from your downstairs rumpus room with wet bar, which flows straight out to the flat backyard and your in-ground swimming pool. What a fantastic home and what a lifestyle. Now, 30 Seagull Avenue will be going to auction on August the 17th, so please make sure you get along to one of our upcoming inspections. As always, thanks for watching.